Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. I hope you have all been well. I'd like to share with you the one leafy green that I plant every single year in spring, and it goes on up until the end of autumn, and it provides plenty of harvest throughout the summer and throughout the autumn. I use it in everything from my smoothies, the kids smoothies, in omelets, in salads. We eat it raw as well. It's amazing. We also cook it. This leafy green is called Silverbeet. It's really easy to plant and the taste is not quite bitter as other leafy greens. It is a good source of iron, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and also bioavailable calcium. It's full of anti-inflammatory components and it's amazing. It's also rich in antioxidants. It's rich in the wonderful vitamins that we've talked about, the K, A, and C, which all help with reducing and preventing overall inflammation in the body. It also contains other minerals as well. Most of them are, like a large quantity of them is calcium. We have potassium. Potassium is really important to help maintain blood sugar levels, and it also has a rich fiber content, which is really important for helping to reduce bad cholesterol. Now, one warning with Silverbeet, as with the majority of other leafy greens such as spinach, it is high in oxalates, so too much of it can be harmful to the liver. So what I do is I just take a small handful and just blend it with a smoothie, and I take it for about 2 to 3 times a week. It's enough to provide the minerals and the vitamins as well as the benefits of Silverbeet. So make sure that you don't consume it daily, and make sure you also don't consume it in large amounts. And in order to use the iron or to make the iron inside the Silverbeet bioavailable to the body, just make sure you splash a small amount of lemon juice. If you're doing it as a salad, make sure to combine lemon juice, sea salt, as well as olive oil into your salad. It really helps with the flavor and also helps with the mineral absorption. Silverbeet is also really easy to plant. I've attempted to do Silverbeet microgreens, and that has really helped with the harvest as well. So I just sprinkle some seeds onto the soil and then cover it up with soil, and also waiting until it first sprouts. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks to sprout, and make sure to keep the soil as moist as possible, and it gives you these wonderful Silverbeet that you can use throughout the spring, summer, and autumn time. Please share with me, what kind of greens do you intend on planting, or what kind of greens do you plant in your balcony or in your garden? I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe.